Today we're talking about how you build your email list using your YouTube channel. So this is part of a 5-part series that's called Triggering the Algorithm, which is a video series that's all centered around how to get YouTube to suggest your content more so you can build your channel, get subscribers, views, all that good stuff. If we haven't met before, my name is Jevan Dovey. I do filmmaking tutorials, product reviews. I also do a ton of YouTube training. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss one of these tutorials. Now, in the first video in this series, I talked a lot about getting YouTube to suggest your content so you can get more views. And one of the things I was talking about was an email list. So this video is diving into how you basically build an email list from scratch using your YouTube channel. And it's actually pretty easy once you see all the different pieces that you need. And once it's built, you don't have to do a whole lot of maintenance because it just continually will feed people into your email list. Now, the reason that you would build an email list using your YouTube channel is that we are on borrowed real estate here on YouTube. So whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of these social media platforms are not our platform. So if something happened in the terms of use and YouTube pulled the rug from under you and all of a sudden your channel's gone, well, your email list is actually how you can access your followers directly. So you want to build your email list so that you have this direct contact with your followers and you don't have a platform in between the two of you. Now, when it comes to YouTube growth, you can actually use your email list to get notifications out when you put out a new video. And this works in a few ways. One, it just tells your followers that you do have a new video that came out, especially if they don't have the bell icon turned on. If you go into your analytics, you can see how many people have the bell icon turned on, and it's a very small percentage of your actual following. So getting people onto your email list gives you a direct way to say, hey, there's a new video up. And when it comes to suggested video content, like I said in video 1 of this series, when you release a video, you can send out an email blast at that same point, and it will drive a lot more traffic to your video all up front, hopefully giving you that boost and enough watch time and velocity that YouTube will then start suggesting your content to more people. So it just gives you that added ability to notify more people and get your video higher in the ranking system. Now, for those of you who sell products, if you have courses, if you have a membership site, if you do affiliate marketing, your email list is also a way that you could sell those products. So there's a lot of reasons why you would want to build an email list. Now let's just get into how you actually do it. The first is you need to find a provider that you're going to use to build your email list. The one I suggest is ConvertKit. It's the one that I switched over to from MailChimp, and it is night and day difference in terms of how the functionality works. ConvertKit is an email marketing platform that was built for creators. So there's a lot of tools in there that make it super easy to use, and it makes it easy to do things like split your list, create automations, do all these different things that you'll get into as you build your list. Now, once you've picked an email list provider, what you need to do is build a freebie or a giveaway or a lead generation is what a lot of people like to call it. And what is that? So it's something that you give away for free that adds value onto the community or the people that you want to get into your email list. So this could be like a free PDF. It could be like a checklist. It could be 10 tips to do something. One of the freebies that I give away on my channel is a free 1-hour training on how to grow your YouTube channel. So you got to think of your audience. You got to think of what the people in your community would be interested in, and then create a freebie around that. So if you're doing a lot of how-tos or tutorials, there's definitely lots of room for you to create these guides, create like a PDF or a video series, something that is not available on your YouTube channel and only available to those people that actually sign up for your list. Now you might ask, well, what happens if you're a channel that doesn't have how-tos or something? Well, there's still an opportunity to create some sort of offer that your list might be interested in. You just really have to think about who your target audience is and something additional they would want from you that would add on their experience of your content. So say you're a travel vlogger. Maybe what you offer is a free private group if you sign up for an email list, and it's a place where you get to hang out with your most engaged followers. Maybe it's a PDF download of a checklist of things to think about before you go on the next trip. So you just gotta think about some different things that your audience might be interested in that you can provide as additional value onto your channel, and that's what you're gonna offer for free. Now, the next step is you need to create a lead capture page. And so what is this? It's just a one page that has an email capture on it. So when someone clicks your free product in your description, it's gonna go to a single page, and this is gonna have a little bit of info of why they clicked it, the offer that you're giving them, and it's gonna ask for your name and your email. And now you have them on your list. So in ConvertKit, you can build these pages super easily. It's part of their software. If you're with another email list provider, they might provide this, or you might have to have an extension to another piece of software that would create these lead pages. So essentially it's just a one page. It's just a way to input your name and your email. And then from there, when someone clicks sign up, they'll be sent an email with the free giveaway or whatever it is that you're giving them in that email. So it's super simple. Once you have your email list provider, you need to come up with a free giveaway, something that adds value to your community, and then you need to create your lead page, and then you just need to share that in your videos. So you need to actually talk about it. So if I was doing a video about YouTube training, I might talk about, hey, I have a free 1-hour training down in the description. Make sure you go check that out after you finish watching this video. So you need to call attention to these freebies and actually get people to go there and click on it and sign up. You don't have to have just like one of these lead generations. If you have multiple things on your channel, you can create multiple products, or you could try different ideas and create different things, like maybe a PDF versus a video versus a checklist or a private group, and then see what drives more people into that email list. For this series, Triggering the Algorithm, I actually create a lead generation that's around my results of a test that I'm running with this video series. And I talked about that in video 1, and those of you who are interested in those results will sign up for my email list, and then I'll segment you on that list into people that are interested in YouTube training and YouTube growth. Now, that's another aspect that I need to touch on. If you have different things going on your channel or different things that you do with your email list, you need to segment it. So for me, I specifically have people that are interested in YouTube training versus people that are interested in filmmaking and products and things like that. And the reason you want to split your list is if someone signed up for your email list for like the YouTube training, but then you're sending them content around filmmaking tutorials, well, they might not be interested in that and they're going to unsubscribe. So in ConvertKit, you can actually split your list based on what people signed up for and create these different tags and create different pools of people so that when I release a new video, say I'm releasing a video on YouTube training on my channel, then I'm going to email all the people that signed up specifically for YouTube training style lead magnets, and those people are going to get a notification of my new video because they're going to be interested in it. So from here, you just repeat over and over and over, and basically do this throughout all your videos. Include lead magnets in the descriptions of all your videos, and that's how you're going to build an email list, and it's really going to tie into everything I'm talking about in this series, Triggering the Algorithm. Let me know down in the comments if you've started an email list for your channel and what's worked for you and what's not worked for you. All right, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.